Hello everyone. So today I'm going to implement this simple AI command system. So if I can command this AI to move to a location like this.
Move there.
Now he's moving to that location, and again
Move there.
can move it like this. And also I have implemented a follow me command.
Follow me.
So AI will continue to follow me no matter where I go. And if I ask it to hold,
Wait.
he will wait like that. If I call follow me,
Follow me.
he comes.
Wait. Move there.
Okay, so that's what we are going to implement today, a simple AI command system. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Right, so let's create a new project. I'm going to select games, next, and let's use the third person template. Keep everything as default. So I'll use this folder, commands system, create. Right, so this is what I got. First okay, let's start. So first I have created some audio commands like this.
Follow me. Move there. Wait.
So these three simple commands. So first I will import them into my project.
Follow me. Move there. Wait.
Right, so these are the three simple commands I'm going to implement, and I'm going to use to command the AI character. Okay, now we already have a playable player character like this. So let's quickly inherit another character from the player character, and let's use it as the AI character. So I'll inherit this. Let's call it companion. No, AI character. That's better. Right. Now I'll place the AI character also in the scene. So, but they both look same. So first I'll create a material instance and change the color. Like this, and I'll assign this color to the AI character so that we can easily distinguish. Right, now here we have the player character, and this guy, the blue guy, is the AI character. Okay, and now let's start implementing the AI character. Let's set up a simple AI controller. So first, in order to work navigation for the AI, we need a narrow mesh bounds volume in the scene. Right, if you press P, now this is the nav mesh bounce volume. If you press P, you can see in green, that's the generated nav mesh. So this AI character can find a path to any point within this green area. Okay, so if I press P again, it will vanish. Now, okay, now for the AI character, here let's create few simple the wait, those commands that I want to create: wait, follow me, and move there. Right, so let's create a custom event called follow me. So actually I'm not going to set up any interfaces or any enumerations or anything to define the commands, because I want to keep this as simple for beginners. So I'll just directly implement this function. So when for the follow me, we need a reference to what the character is supposed to follow. So I'll give a phone reference like this. I'll call it follow target, and here I'll call AI move to, oh wait, no, AI move to, and as the target actor I'll give this follow target, and as the phone I'll give self. So that means this character, and as the acceptance radius I'll give 10. Right, now this will happen only one time. Once the AI character reach the target actor, he will stop there and he will not continue to follow, but that's okay for now. So now let's go to the third person character, and here let's add some keys to assign actions. Follow me. As the key I'll use F, and wait as the key I'll use H, stands for hold. To hold and move there. As the key I'll use G. Right, okay, now follow me. So we need a reference to our companion AI character. So I'll add a new variable, AI companion. It should be in the type of AI character object reference. Now in here, this is a very basic system, so I'm not going to make it any complicated. I'm going to keep it very simple. So I'm not going to do like dynamically identifying the AI character or anything. I'm just gonna set this variable in the level. So in order to be able to set the variable, you have to make it public, so it will be visible here. So as the AI companion, I can select the AI character. Right, now in the third person character, when I press follow me on the AI companion, I'll call follow me, and as the follow target I'll give self. That means this character, self means this character, and play sound at location. As the location I'll give character location, and as the sound I'll use follow me. Right, now if I press F,
Follow me.
see, the AI character is coming, but he's not continue to follow me.
Follow me.
I have to press F
Follow
again.
me.
But if I move before he reach me, he will continue to follow, but still nothing. Now he's not.
Follow me.
So right, now let's make this AI character continually follow the player character. So for that, yeah, now we need stuff. Let's add a new enumeration. We need one. I'll name it AI commands. So first one, follow me, and the second one, wait, and the third one, there. Right, now for the follow me, here let's add another variable into the AI character. Let's call it active command, and this should be in the type of AI command. There should be another type as none, so no specific command has been given. I'll move it to the first, and as the active command I'll set none. So now here when I call the follow me command, set active command to follow me, and when this is successful or failed, if this is successful, I'll give a delay of, let's say, 2 seconds, and then still we can use this active command and get a switch. So if the command is still follow me, then we can check the distance between the, actually I don't think we have to do that. If it is still follow me, then I'll connect this here again. If it is not follow me, then I will not have to do anything. So if it is failed also, I'll do the same thing. So character will continue to follow the player if I give the follow command like this.
Follow me.
See, he keeps following me. Like that. Okay, follow me command is completed. Right, next command is, let's see how to implement wait. That's simple. Another custom event, wait. So all I have to do is set active command to wait, and also set this to wait, but still this current moment will continue. But let's implement the wait command also here. Wait hold action on the AI companion, call wait, and oh, actually it's not a spawn. Play sound at location. Follow me. This one is wait, and here we need to stop the active movement. So for that there is a command, stop active movement. Now I'll go further and call follow me.
Follow me.
And if I hold,
Wait.
the character immediately stops.
Follow me. Wait.
Maybe we should have some delay, because it looks unreal. I mean, it should at least wait until this wait audio is played. That's not really very important, but it bothers me. So let's the delay of 1 second here. Let's do the same thing to this command as well. And let's see.
Follow me.
Okay,
Wait. Follow me. Wait.
okay, that looks organic. All right,
Follow me.
he's coming.
Wait.
He's waiting there.
Follow me. Wait.
Okay, the next thing is move there. How to implement move there? So for that we need a way to specify the location character should move. So how do we do that? Right, so in the third person character, let's make a simple arrow, but we don't have an arrow mesh here. To represent the location character needs to move. So but if I enable engine content, I should be able to get some additional meshes. Arrow. All right, here we have an arrow object. Cool, let's use it. drag and drop into the not under arrow component, it should be under the capsule like this, and it should look down. I'll name it move target, and it should not have any collisions. No events needs to be generated, and it should be invisible. Right. Now when I press the move there button, let's have a variable. Let's call it move target activated. It should be a boolean. I'll set move target activated to true, and then I'll get the move target and set visible. Right, and when I release this key, I'll set move target activated to false and visibility to again false, and then on the AI companion I'll call, or do we need to implement move there? No, let's add a custom event move there, and here we need an input as the target, move target. Okay, now I'll set active command to move there and call AI move to. As the destination, I'll give this move target, and as the pawn, I'll give self. Right. Move there. Okay, and as the location, I'm gonna give the location of move target, get world location. Oh wait, also I'm gonna detach this from the parent as well. And keep world. Alright, now shall we see what happens if I press G. Here the move target is activated and character tries to come over there like that. See? Okay, now let's quickly let's assign a new material to that. That's not really important, but let's try. Oh well, let's quickly create some material and color. Let me see. And this should be unlit because we need to be able to see this marker on any lighting situation. unlit. Right, let's set the vector parameter color. I'll use the color blue, and let's multiply this. Some multiplier, so it would be shining like this. And let's assign that color to this move target, and color emissive. It will look like this if I make it visible. That's not really important for the command system, but I just want to do it. Now in the, do we have the tick here? No. AI commands, let's add a comment. And let's bring up the event tick for this character, and here let's have a branch. If move target activated, we need to move this move target to the location where the player is looking at. So we can get it like this. We can do a line trace by channel, and as a start, get at location. Actually we can use the camera location. No, let's use the actor location. That's the start, and the end should be, oh wait, we should use the camera location. So we can do a line cast from the camera to the direction camera is looking at. That's the start, and the end should be get control. No, from the camera we can get forward vector, and let's multiply this by a large value like 5000, and if we get a hit, a valid hit, this will be true, and then we will set world location of this move target to the hit location like this. Let's see if I now press G. Oh, it's over there, but I can't clearly see that because it covers from the player, right? But let's make it visible for a bit. Oh, this should, let's make it a little bit larger, like 3 times. And this location, let's add 100 units to that. Okay, now if I press G, we can see where it needs to be. Okay, we need to make it invisible again. Also, in order to be able to clearly see that, let's add an offset to this camera boom in, let's say, Y direction, like this. If I press G, now character will be moving there. Actually, why don't we add another circle as well? Let's add a cylinder under this move target. This should be in the directly at the location of the move target. And I'll use the same material, 𝐂𝐚𝐭𝐫𝐴𝐬. And I will keep the visibility of that object after AI character is moved. And I'll skip hiding that part. And also this cylinder should not have any collisions. Wait, initially both should be hidden. It should be visible only when I give the command. Oh, need to move it up a little bit. Feel like $150. Yeah. Okay. So like that, I can give the move location. And if I need, I can even hide it Well, actually, let's make that material a little transparent. So instead of opaque, I'll make it translucent, and opacity, let's give like 0.2, maybe too much, 0.1. That's better. Okay, and we didn't add the voice command, did we? No. We can duplicate this. And under delay, as usual, use move there. Alright, now here is the final command.
Move there.
AI is going, and if I call follow me,
Follow me.
AI will keep following me. And if I call wait, he will wait. If I again call yeah, I think now if I do another command, I should hide that more targets. So maybe let's have a delay of, let's say, 4 seconds, and then if we are still not, we can set the visibility with this move target activated. If it is activated, visibility will be true, otherwise it will be hidden. So just in case, if before it within the delay, if it is going to be hidden, it will not happen. Okay,
Move there.
oh wait, why did it go to a different location?
Move there.
Also need to make it propagate to children. Sorry. Oh, well, I have disconnected this. It's a mistake. Sorry. And this should be set to false before the delay, otherwise even after releasing the key for move command, this will continue to move. Right, here is the final version.
Move there.
Character is going, and that will be hidden like that.
Wait.
If I call follow me, character will continue to follow me. no matter where I go. And yeah, she's not jumping. And if I call move there, character will go there like that. See? Okay, so
Follow me. Wait.
okay, so I think with that we can stop this episode right here. So if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. Link would be in the description below, and also the project files will be available for the download through the Patreon page. Thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye. Also feel free to let me know if you have further suggestions that you would like to add to this AI commands system.